Today we're going to talk about dance, more importantly, why dance. First, we're going to start off with a brief history of dance, then how it differs between cultures, and then all the dancing that emerged in the 1900s. Lastly, why everybody should incorporate dance into their everyday lives. We're going to start off with a little bit of history. Dance was originally used for rituals. Many societies use dance as a way to communicate with gods or God. We see this in many early societies. Later societies started to use dance as entertainment rather than a ritual. We first see dance in cave paintings, and in these cave paintings it seems to be that humans are using dance as a way to appease nature or accompany the rite of passage. In Egypt, dance became extremely important, especially for the gods. Priests would mimic significant movements in the god stories to please them, but Egyptians were also the first to start using dance as a form of entertainment. This is just the very beginning of dance as we know it today. Moving into different cultures. Once dance started to spread throughout the world, different cultures started to have different takes on dance that pertain to their religions. And each dance is very unique to that certain culture. And here are just a few different cultures and their dances. We have Hawaii, which is hula dancing. In Ireland, you have the Irish step dance. The United Kingdom is the maypole dance. Brazil is the samba. Spain, you have the flamenco. And Cuba, it's the salsa. Now we're going to talk about the different types of dance that emerged in the 1900s. The 1900s was a huge time for dance. Each decade had its popular dance trend, and each decade was very different from the last. These dances reflected what was going on at that point in history. And in this point of history, you have jazz and the blues, and you have the roaring 20s, and each decade really reflects what was going on. In the 1910s, you have a more sophisticated style of dancing. You have the foxtrot, the tango, and the waltz. Moving into the roaring 20s, you see the jitterbug, the swing dance, and the charleston. The 1930s, again, each decade gets more daring. You have the rumba, the samba, and the conga. The 1940s, you see the Linden Hop. 1950s, when rock and roll was big, you see a lot of boogie and woogieing going on. The 1960s, you see the mashed potato and the twist. 1970s, you have the hustle, the YMCA, and the chicken dance. Moving into the 1980s, you see the electric slide. In the 1990s, it's the Vogue, the Running Man, and the Sprinkler. As you can see, each decade had many dances that were unique to that time period, that were influenced heavily by the music. Okay, now moving on to the reason why dance. First, anyone can dance, all ages. There's no limit to dancing, and there's no excuses as to why you shouldn't be dancing every day. Even if you're bad, who cares? It's fun. So everyone can dance. Next, it's a great workout. Dancing will burn anywhere from 130 to 250 calories in just one 30-minute class. You don't even have to go to a class. There are multiple dance workout videos online available to you that you can do in the comfort of your home, especially if you're not that good of a dancer. Most people complain that they don't have enough time in the day to set aside to take 30 minutes to do a workout video. Instead, you should start incorporating it into your everyday lives. Like, I dance when I clean. I play some music and just dance around the house with my Swiffer duster and have at it. It's very easy to incorporate dance into your everyday life. Next, we're going to talk about the many benefits to dance. First, we have that it boosts your memory and improves flexibility. It reduces stress. It diminishes depression. It helps your heart. It helps you balance. You have an increased energy. And the best is that you get to make new friends. Dancing all around makes you feel better and look amazing. So who wouldn't want to dance every day? And last but not least, if you get anything out of this presentation, it's that you are supposed to dance like no one's watching. It makes dance so much more fun, and you will never want to go another day without dancing.